What's going on, Trap Watchers? Today's August the 27th, 2021. I needed to give you all another example of how chart patterns do not work all the time and how you should not be too reliant upon chart patterns. We're going to look at this chart right here about AMC. This particular individual was expecting the price in AMC to give us a short squeeze, or how they termed it in their title, a long squeeze. And you guys can see, once I hit this play button, we're going to pay attention to see whether or not that actually occurred. And I want to continue to show our community how chart patterns, how technical indicators, how utilizing technical analysis does not benefit us. We need to get something that gives us the competitive advantage amongst everyone else who participates into the market. And that one thing is language analysis. You got to understand how the language of the markets work and how to read price charts. If you don't, you will continually see the market as being manipulated and you continually losing your money. So if you guys want to join us, hit us up, hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe here to the channel. I'm going to break this down real quick. Okay, so you guys can see this is an ascending triangle pattern. Now let's see what is the outcome. What is the outcome supposed to be whenever you see these type of patterns on your chart? Okay, let's take a look. Look at all these images right here. These are images of the ascending triangle. Now the outcome, as you guys can see, if I click on one of them, is to allow the price to break outside of the ascending triangle to the upside. That is what the market is supposed to do, right? You guys can see it right here. All of these images, we are supposed to see the price break out once we tap right there alongside that restriction line. Now that's what's supposed to happen. Now, understandably, everyone else understands that this is what's supposed to occur. You don't think that the market also knows that you're expecting the price to break out? So if everyone already has this information at their fingertips, what type of competitive advantage do you think you have utilizing it or even placing it on your chart? It doesn't give you no advantages because you know about it. I know about it. Even the guy who creates the market in the stock market knows about these patterns. So when he creates this, he's going to fool you. You're thinking that this is an ascending triangle, expecting the market to break out, only to see the price break down. See, we got to realize that this is things to trick us. The market is not friendly. The market is very, very ruthless, and they're trying to take advantage of us every time they come into the market. So look at all these images. I mean, if you have this much information about ascending triangles, what do you think? Do you really think this is going to benefit you? There's countless images about ascending triangles. And if you know about it, if everyone knows about it, look at all these images. You need to have something that a lot of people don't know nothing about in order to take advantage of the market. Look at this. I'm still scrolling. You can see all of these images of ascending triangles. So this is nothing new. So whoever is trying to garner and tell you that you need to use ascending triangles, you need to tell them, why would I need to use some information that everybody else already knows? I need to use something that not a lot of people know about, that I can take advantage of and exploit in the market. Look at this. I'm still scrolling, and you all can see all of these images of people trying to show you ascending triangles and the price breaking out, right? So now, let me go back to this chart then. Okay, so I think we got the gist as to what the price is supposed to do. This individual was looking for the market to do the same thing. Now, I'm not sure what these indicators down here at the bottom are. I don't know. It looks like it's confusing though. But nevertheless, he has written on this chart that the stop loss will be below this trend line. All right, so as long as this price in AMC trades above that ascending line, then he's expecting the market to go long and price to go higher, right? His price target was right there around $72.62, right? This was posted on June 28th, 2021. Now, AMC is looking primed to retest the all-time high. This is what this individual wrote. Looking to either enter at the breakout or wait to test the trend line below. Cool. Now look at this. I'm gonna hit this play button. I want you all to see what the price has done against this so-called bullish ascending triangle. Let's take a look. Let me hit this play button. Do you see that? The price completely collapsed from that ascending triangle. Again, why would I want to use chart patterns again? Why would I want to use ascending triangles? Because the price, you guys can clearly see, fell. So the outcome that you see here on this screen of all the images of ascending triangles breaking out did not occur in this instance. Ask yourself the question, well, why is that? Because the market does not move on patterns. It does not move on ascending triangles. If that was the case, everybody will be rich. Everybody will be taking advantage of chart patterns. But when something is so readily available, this information is known amongst the markets. Everyone understands ascending triangles. So when it comes on the chart, you're expecting the market to move higher only to see the price go down. Imagine all the people who drew these same lines on their chart expecting the price to break out. Right? So again, what point do I need to use charts patterns for? They serve no purpose. They have no usage on a chart. You need to use language analysis. You got to learn how to digest and dissect price bars and volume. That is all you need. You don't need to draw patterns on a chart to see and figure out where the market is going to go. Now, I would tell you, if you do have these lines on your chart, you need to use it in a way that allows you to understand what the market is trying to do at those price levels, right? So right here, for instance, on this horizontal line around $62.85, right? We will be paying attention to the price there. We will already understand that as long as the price does not break above that line, we're going to go down, period. It's just that simple. We've seen numerous opportunities in AMC back there in June of it trying to break out, but it couldn't do it. That was the massive clue that this individual did not see. The only thing that he saw was this ascending triangle being created, and the outcome is supposed to be a breakout, but it didn't happen. Check this out. Just listen. We got you, right? We understand that the market is complicated, especially when you see all of these technical indicators. Look at all these charts here. I mean, really, look at this one. What are you going to do with that? Seriously, this is what people are trying to create just to figure out where price is going to go. This was on June 28th. Let's see what this happened. Do you see that? You can't even tell where the price bars are at. You have too many angles, shapes, lines, arrows, colors, indicators, nothing but confusion. It's ridiculous. You guys got to have something that is less complicated and understand what the trap is trying to do. And we got you. We're here. Join our team, join our community, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. We'll see you on the other side. Peace.